Every premium steak on your plate began its journey in a place like this. This is where premium Brahman beef is born. From select Brahman cattle to export-ready premium cuts. This facility runs with precision around the clock. One side holds the beginning. The other holds the finished premium product. Everything in between is craft.
From farm-raised Brahman cattle to market-ready premium cuts in one continuous flow.
Only the highest quality Brahman cattle are selected here. The journey to premium beef starts with careful handling. Every animal is thoroughly checked. Only those meeting premium criteria proceed. These Brahman cattle have been raised for superior marbling and tenderness. The transformation begins now. Precision and care define every step in creating premium Brahman beef. Precision and care define every step in creating premium Brahman beef. Rapid yet controlled cooling locks in the premium quality and tenderness of Brahman beef. Marbling score determines if this becomes true premium Brahman beef. This is where the premium Brahman carcass begins its transformation into market-ready cuts. Every cut is deliberate to maximize premium yield from Brahman beef. Precision splitting ensures balanced premium cuts. Proper chilling is critical for the tenderness premium Brahman beef is known for. Chilling maintains 0 to 4 degrees Celsius to prevent bacterial growth while preserving quality. Skilled hands remove only what is needed. This precision defines the premium quality of Brahman beef. Cleanliness at every stage protects the integrity and safety of premium Brahman beef. Trained eyes catch details machines cannot. Only the best sides continue as premium. These primal sections contain the most valued cuts that define premium Brahman beef. Deboning turns large primals into the steaks and roasts customers expect. The tenderloin is one of the most prized cuts from Brahman beef, handled with care. Time and temperature transform Brahman beef into something exceptional. Consistency in thickness and weight ensures every steak meets premium standards.
Even small details like this enhance the cooking experience of premium Brahman beef.
Nothing is wasted. Every part of the Brahman carcass finds its highest use. Vacuum sealing locks in freshness and extends the shelf life of premium Brahman beef. A strong seal ensures the premium Brahman beef reaches the customer in perfect condition. Uniform slices showcase the beautiful marbling of premium Brahman beef. Technology ensures every package meets the high standards of premium Brahman beef. Quality is not left to chance. Every package is made right. Perfect temperature control ensures the premium Brahman beef cuts cleanly without damaging texture or marbling. This last clean ensures the premium Brahman beef meets the highest food safety standards. You cannot see it, but this rest dramatically improves the eating quality of every Brahman steak. Every steak must look as premium as it tastes. This is where consistency is perfected. These cuts were fabricated separately, but now come together as a premium Brahman beef offering. A final signature ensures accountability for every premium Brahman beef product leaving this stage. Technology ensures every steak is identical in size and weight, in Mumi, the hallmark of premium consistency.
The robot handles each premium Brahman cut with the same care on the first or the 1,000th piece. Robotic systems in meat packing improve.
Massive force creates perfectly shaped premium Brahman beef patties that cook evenly. These marks ensure traceability from this factory all the way to the consumer's table. This process creates consistently textured premium Brahman ground beef, prized by chefs and home cooks.
Millimeter-level accuracy ensures every premium Brahman steak meets exact weight and thickness standards.
Even distribution prevents damage during transport of these premium products.
Robotic consistency protects the premium quality from this point forward.
Only packages that pass every test move forward as premium Brahman beef.
This overtest ensures the beef stays fresh all the way to market. This code links every steak back to the specific Brahman cattle and processing day. Every critical detail is measured before the product leaves machine control. The product enters packaging, looking as premium as it tastes. Designed specifically for Brahman beef, this packaging protects the premium quality during transit.
Every package tells the full story of its premium Brahman heritage. The carton becomes the first line of defense for this premium Brahman beef. Vision systems ensure every label is perfect for premium traceability. Efficient packing maximizes every shipment of premium Brahman beef.
One pallet can contain hundreds of premium Brahman beef portions ready for market. Robotic palletizers handle up to 1,500 cases per hour.
One in every batch is opened. When it passes, the entire lot is cleared for market.
From select Brahman cattle to premium cuts ready for tables worldwide, this is the full story.
Today's numbers reflect the precision that makes this premium Brahman beef exceptional. World-class beef plants target overall equipment effectiveness above 85%.
Every package started as a Brahman animal this morning and is now market ready. This is the result of skill, technology, and care. Premium Brahman beef from farm to your table.